1st January 2022, the first shoot of the year from Radha's Rasoi.
Hi, good morning everyone. Happy New Year. Have a wonderful and successful year ahead. To my viewers and their families and everyone. Today I want to show a simple recipe which is a very yummy recipe as well as it's quite easy to do. The most commonly done recipe in the house in any lunch or dinner menu, kadhi, which is called kadhi in Hindi. You call more kolambu in Tamil, you call majjig pulsu in Telugu. Today I am doing with all the vegetables. Whatever vegetable I have at home, I am trying to do. Incorporate some nutrition into it. So I will be using for that carrot and gajar cut into quite big pieces. Then I have snake gourd or potlakaya, a small piece cut into cubes. This is chow chow or Bengaluru vankaya you call in Telugu, chow chow. I have taken one full chow chow and some beans I have taken, cut beans, and some palak I have taken to add little nutrition to my curry. And for the seasoning and all I am taking 4 green chilies, a piece of ginger, a small amount of curry leaves, then besan 2 spoons, and of course buttermilk, which I have taken almost more than half liter, thick buttermilk, that is a sufficient amount of water. And I am using today one secret ingredient which is called magai in Telugu. It is sliced mango pickle. This is the magai. So basically I will be using a spoon of this into my buttermilk, into my this thing curry, so that it will give the traditional grandma's taste to it. So it was done when mothers and grandmothers used to do, even when they don't have many vegetables or even one vegetable, they used to add this pickle into the buttermilk so that it will give little sourness or cut up into that buttermilk. Sometimes your buttermilk may not be as sour or that, so naturally the curry tastes better only with the sour buttermilk. So this is my tip. If you don't have sour buttermilk and we are buying curd nowadays from outside, just churn the curd, make it into buttermilk and put 1 spoon of this achar, mix it and pour it. It will give a lovely and yummy taste to your curry. Now let's get started. To start with, I will be boiling all my vegetables as my habit goes, only in a microwave. So these are all cut and washed vegetables which I am using. Beans, then chow chow, carrot and gajar, then snake gourd or potlakaya you call. Palak I will not be having by adding into the microwave. So I will be adding sufficient amount of water. Sufficient amount. And I will not be throwing this water. I will be using the same water. I will be using my boiled veggies along with the water. So this is it. I will be adding little salt to my vegetables. This much I am using because again we will be using in the this thing. So little amount of salt. Just put it in the microwave for 12 minutes. Micro 10 minutes, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 minutes. So when our vegetables are getting cooked in the microwave, we can make our chilies, then ginger and a little bit of jeera. this much of jeera, little bit as per your taste. So this we will make it into a small, we will mash it very fine in a small mixie jar and we will keep it ready. And we will also mix this besan, 2 spoons of besan in 2 spoons of buttermilk and keep the paste ready. And also the pickle also 2 spoons we will be adding and we will mix it in buttermilk and we will keep it ready. So that by the time our vegetables are ready, our preparation will be done. So now we have, I have cut my spinach. I have cut my spinach, palakura into small pieces. Then I have mixed my pickle in buttermilk, in thick butter curd or buttermilk into a small paste. Then I have ground my green chilies, 3, little jeera and small piece of ginger. So, and I have put my besan to be mixed with buttermilk ready. Now we will start our process. For the seasoning part, I will be using only, generally ghee is a better option for this. So, and I am using cow ghee. So, let me add. This is the final seasoning. I will not be putting out any more tadka for this. It's a final seasoning, final tempering for this. So I have added 2 spoons of cow ghee. Let it melt. And my vegetables are also boiled. See, you can see. All my vegetables are boiled. Now I am adding my seasoning. Small amount of methi or mentulu, half spoon of mustard. I am adding again a little bit of jeera. I am not adding any red chilies. Why? Because I am adding my pickle mixed in curd as well as 3 green chilies also. So I am not adding any more red chilies. 1 spoon of hing, or you can actually put 1.5. Now I am adding my curry leaves. And now I am putting my spinach. Spinach cooks very fast, palakura. It wilts very fast in the ghee. So just to toss it once. That's all. See how it has become. See? Along with the water I am adding. I am not throwing the water. See? Now I am adding my green chilies and ginger and jeera, which I have done mixing. Let it come to a boil. See, you can see the boil. Now our buttermilk I am adding to the besan. This is very thick curd. Very thick curd. So if you want, you can actually make it little thin also, this thing also, buttermilk. but you will get a nice taste if you put a little thick buttermilk. So why we are adding the besan in buttermilk is, if we put directly the buttermilk will tend to curdle or break. So to avoid that, we mix besan so that it will bind and it will not break. That is one of the secret. Since it's very thick, I thought I'll be adding little more water. Now my vegetables are boiling. So at this point I am adding my buttermilk. Just to give it a mix. At this point I am adding my curd and the pickle which I have mixed up together. Now see, the buttermilk has started bubbling. It should not bubble very much because the buttermilk may break. So we have not added salt to the buttermilk till now. Only we have added to the vegetables so that the vegetables also will be absorbing little salt. That's all. So I am switching off my stove now. And now we will be adding our salt as per requirement. I have not added any turmeric or haldi also, because since I have added the pickle mixed up in curd, it will give the additional color. So I didn't want to spoil that color. So I have not put any turmeric also. So our kadhi or majjig pulsu, mixed vegetable majjig pulsu is ready. I'll be putting it in my So my yummy mixed vegetable majjig pulsu or mixed vegetable kadhi, mixed vegetable more kadumbu is ready. Just enjoy it, and please try to include my technique in your this thing. It will, I am assuring, it will turn out to be yummy. Serve it with hot rice and ghee and enjoy your lunch. Thank you. Thank you for watching.